Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 151. Three of us had arranged to make the trip. All of us are members of the same political association, while two are also prominently connected with a medical association, and the third with a traders association. On a Wednesday evening, we left the shores of England for France. Arriving in Paris, we hired a flat bottomed Norwegian boat, somewhat smaller than we had intended, and from this city we rowed ourselves down to Nantes, leaving Paris on a Thursday afternoon. We went by the Seine, along two canals, and down the Loire, a distance of over 300 miles, which occupied a joyous month, out of which we spent more than half the time on the water. We had a very large umbrella that protected us absolutely from sun and showers, and in the locker of the boat there were appliances for the preparation of simple meals. As well as can be remembered, we went through about 40 locks. We stayed at 30 inns, and our expenses worked out to a total of 20 francs a day for dinner, bed, and early breakfast. Full stop.